right, WMC, this is the video to find the winner of the pick one between TJ Watt and Jordy Nelson. So we'll check the time, January 4th at 2:43 p.m. We're going to go over to the main and type live. We have January 4th at 2:43 p.m. There's the list of our 13 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. That's not going to work. 10 times. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Alan. Spot 12 is your winner. So, Alan, please get with me to make your selection. There is our verification code, our timestamp once again, January 4th, 2:44 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.